This conference will now be recorded.
Hello TVS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. As you know that we have started two series on YouTube channel. First is Oracle 19C database, where you can master yourself in a minute, and second series is master Oracle 19C RAG in a minute. So today I'm taking a master Oracle 19C database in a minute. So today is the 14th session, and today I will discuss about Aura base tab. So the Aura base tab file is basically used to determine fundamental directories based on Oracle Home, Oracle Base Home, and Oracle Base Config. All these Oracle Base Home, Oracle Base Config I have already covered, and this Aura base tab file reside in Oracle Home, and after that there is a folder install in that this file reside. So let me show you. So first I will go to Oracle Home slash install. So here I reach here, and then there is ls. So if you see that there is Aura base tab file, you will get there. So this is Aura base tab file. So basically this file is used to determine whether your Oracle Home is read only or read write. So you can check for the presence of Aura base tab file. So the Aura base tab file also defines the Oracle base home name of the Oracle Home, and basically home name means Oracle Home. So it has basically four lines. So the first field, or you can say it has four fields. So first field match the current Oracle Home. Second field define the Oracle base, and third field define the home name which is used in constructing the Oracle base home path in a read-only Oracle Home. And the fourth field display is display two words. If it is showing N, then it is your home is read write. If it is showing Y, then your home is read only. So in read only Oracle Home, the Oracle Home base path is Oracle base home, and home name, and Oracle base config is the same as Oracle base. And in read write, Oracle home base home and Oracle base config are the same. Okay, so let me show you the file contents. So if I say cat Aura base tab, so see that let me clear the screen, and then output. So this is first field. So this is showing my Oracle Home. This is second field. So this is my Oracle base, and this is the third field, which is Oracle 19 DB19 Home, which shows read only name actually. And if it is showing no, it means my home is read write mode. If here it is showing Y, then my Oracle Home is read only home. Okay, so that's it. This is the things I want to share with you guys. So all the Oracle Home related thing I have covered. Almost four sessions I have taken. So thank you very much for watching my series on our YouTube channel, that is Oracle Ride. So please, one request, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that whenever I'm uploading a video, you will get the notification. And I'm getting likes and comments, but I required more likes and more comments, so that it will motivate me if you do this. And thanks again for being here, and happy learning. Bye.